sharing how to make these super cute, super easy ghost treat bags. You're just going to need small paper bags. I used glassine bags. They're linked below. I like them because they're a little transparent, which is the look I wanted for these bags. Cut the top and bottom off the bag. Then cut down one side of the bag so that it opens like a greeting card. Draw a ghost shape, or trace it if you're like me and don't trust yourself to freehand anything that will look decent. There's a link below for this exact ghost shape that you can print off to trace. You just want to be sure it's big enough to stick your treat or candy in. Open the bag up and use a glue stick to glue along the ghost shape. Place your candy in the middle of the ghost, making sure it's not touching the glue. Then flip over the back side of the bag and press the front and back of the bag together to seal in the treat. Once the glue is dry, cut around the ghost silhouette. And that's it! You've got cute little ghost treat bags that only take a couple minutes to make. And if you're into easy, fun crafts with paper bags, we've got a couple more that are linked below, so be sure to check those out.